Hello all, Simon Toohey here, brand ambassador for Dilmah, and today we have got a classic cocktail for you, the old fashioned. But of course, it wouldn't be a cocktail with Simon without some form of twist, and this time I'm using Dilmah's Italian Almond Tea. Not only that, I'm gonna make a bitters using Dilmah's Extra Strength Premium Ceylon Tea. Come with me on this amazing old fashioned journey, because it is gonna be outstanding. First of all, we need to chill some things down. So I'm taking a small bowl of almonds and I'm gonna put them in the freezer, get nice and cold. It'll keep the drink chilled as well and look really cool at the end. From there, I'm then gonna infuse my alcohol and I'm gonna get 2 beautiful Dilmah Italian almond tea bags and put them in a jar with some bourbon on top. Next, I need to make my bitters. I'm gonna get some extra strength, premium Ceylon Dilmah tea, and I'm gonna put that in a pot with some water, about 200 mils of water. And then I'm gonna put that on high and I'm gonna reduce that down until there's only about 20 mils left. And that extraction of that tea is gonna create a really bitter flavor and it's gonna look a lot like coffee, randomly enough. Finally, make some sugar syrup. You need this to sweeten your cocktail. 1 part sugar to 1 part water. Very, very simple. Caster sugar is fine. Mix it around until it's fully diluted. And then now we're gonna make our drink. Add from the freezer your frozen almonds. Have a snack while you're at it. Put that in the bottom of the glass. Then add your ice cube on top of that. Finally, your bourbon. Squeeze out the Dilmah Italian Almond Tea and pour that over the top of your ice cube. Then add 10 mils of your sugar syrup to the mix. Add 2 to 3 mils of your reduced Dilmah Premium Extra Strength Ceylon Tea to the mix. And finally stir and stir and stir until your mixture is beautiful and cold and the dilution level has brought all those flavors together and it doesn't taste like sharp, harsh alcohol. You want a balance here. Like everything great, balance is important. Finish with an orange twist. A really juicy orange twist brings everything together. This is a delicious, warming cocktail. Great for the end of an evening to help everything digest, or the start of an evening to get your taste buds tingling for the first course of your dish. Enjoy it.